Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a column chart in Excel step by step. Start by arranging your data in table format, labels in one column, values in the adjacent columns. Click and drag your mouse over all the cells you want to include in the chart. You can hold Ctrl and click to select multiple ranges if needed. You'll see a border appear around your selection. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. In the Charts group, click the button that says Insert Column or Bar Chart. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear showing you different column chart types. You'll see options under 2D column and 3D column. From that drop-down, click on the column chart type you want. The most common option is clustered column, which is great for comparing values across categories. As soon as you click it, the chart will instantly appear in your worksheet, typically centered near your selected data, and you'll see it's automatically selected with handles around the edges. Here are a few useful things to know. Once you've created the chart, two new tabs will appear in the ribbon: Chart Design and Format. You can use these to customize the look of your chart, modify styles, colors, axis titles, data labels, and the legend. There's also a quicker way to add elements. When the chart is selected, you'll see a plus icon appear at the top right corner of it. Click that plus icon to quickly add or remove things like chart titles, axis labels, or data labels. And remember, anytime you update the numbers in your original data range, the chart updates automatically. You don't need to recreate it. That's how to add a column chart in Excel.